Good morning. Personal information. My name is Carlos Andrés Montaño. I have athlete high performance for several years. Achievements. I have participated in several competitions representing Dinamarca. I have competed in more than 30 races where I managed to locate me with the first fire pots. Tips: I have joined Moin Biker until La Guajira. I've made many trips in various departments of Colombia. Memorable experiences. The, the day that I reached my first recognition in the sport. The day I went a competition and the prize was a biker. Things you haven't done. We haven't gone on trips with riders like Egan Bernal. Things you mean do in the future. It means beyond instructor recognized thanks to the dedication in this sport. Thank you.